Good morning and welcome to this special edition of Nine's Morning News.
Sam Isles, a YouTube creator on the Sunshine Coast with more than 200,000 subscribers, has allegedly been caught performing dangerous welding stunts
with the Mexican flag flapping from the window.
Sam told police that there's no way he ever was shoot in a workplace environment again.
Well, it seems like a trend on this channel is thongs. It's funny today I'm wearing slides though. But nevertheless, I've been inspired. A few years ago, DC Shoes did wheels on a dirt bike. Today, we're doing it on the car. Got the old rims from the street tyres on the 4Drive episode. You remember that, link down below. We've stripped the tyres, and I think what I'm gonna do is weld some bars and attach a heap of thongs to it and see how it goes.
Nice.
Ow! Woo! All right, I've done some gnarly calculations on this, and this is basically set up as a 33. Is it 33 or 35? 33. Yeah, we've got a set of 33s going on this thing, so that's the size we've gone with, so it should look okay on the car. And I remind you guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do. I haven't mentioned that for a long time, but we're going big with the channel next year, so we want you guys to subscribe so we can grow. I reckon let's just hit 500,000. I've said it now. We want to hit 500,000 subscribers by the end of 2023. So hit subscribe if you haven't. Welcome to the channel. What a flippin' masterpiece. Doesn't look dangerous at all. See if it rolls. Oh shit, yeah.
Sam, what are you doing this time, dude?
Trust me, I've got an idea. It's good you bloody rocked up to work late today, mate. Anyway, we're about to head out. I got something we need to buy, and then I'll explain it all later. Alrighty, mate, we're here at the shops. Now, what we're after is something that I've wanted to make the Patrol a bit more like a 79 series. It's just missing something. So we're here. Well, no, not that. We've got to get 64 thongs in here. That's what we're getting. Yep. Trust me. Trust me.
Always keep me in suspense, eh?
No, don't worry about it. Surprise is key. It's the element of surprise. Not only for you, but for the viewers. Oh, yeah, this is what we're talking about. I don't even know what color. A few blue, a few black. I wish we got built, not bought thongs. Where the hell did Mitch go, by the way? I don't know what he's doing.
Oi, Sam. 60,
what are you?
You said 64.
That's not what I meant.
What color?
You're gonna demonetize our video.
Bro, but I thought this is what you get when you own a 79 series.
No.
Bro,
Huh?
these are like 20 bucks.
Oh, we're after the dollar ones. Here they are. That was almost a big fuck up. I just keep blowing them, eh? Like slippery feet. Just hold some stock of them, you know. Alrighty guys, so I'm just going to do a quick little giveaway. This is like the last video of the year, and I want to thank you guys so much for an awesome year, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year as well. So I'm going to whack together a little merch pack, but we're also going to put in either 500 bucks cash or a Red Arc BCDC. So if you got a 4Drive and a dual battery system, this is the one to go with, but you can have a bit of cash as well. So all you gotta do is comment down below, let me know where you're going for Christmas. Is it down south? Is it with your family? I wanna know what you're up to, and that's as simple as that. And I'll draw the winner on my Instagram. Hope you guys have a Happy New Year, and we'll see you next year. Stick around for the rest of the episode. All right, let's get gluing.
Look at the distance between thongs. That has been perfectly fucking calculated.
So now you understand we're putting thongs on wheels.
I think
It's all about thong slap. 79s have thong slap. I want thong slap on the Patrol, and it also will look pretty cool when it's on there. So let's let these set overnight. Make sure that they dry proper. Give it 24 hours. We'll whack them on Patrol and see how she goes. We play some bets. Are they gonna just crumble? I think they're gonna be strong, but the thongs might be a bit worse for wear. Oh, we've got a few spares, eh?
Yeah, this one.
Should have saved my size at least.
Yeah, we didn't think about that at all.
Oh, 10s. That's me.
The next day.
Oh, well, here she is. We've got the thong slapping machine. Now, it wasn't the greatest first little run. From the drive from the shed to here, it's pretty much destroyed most of the thongs on the back. The front's looking pretty good, but the back didn't hold together too good. Anyway, that's fine. We've got Macca coming around tomorrow because he's got that black 79 series. Now, I want to see if my thong slap is better than his thong slap. I'll tell you what, I reckon the $1 thongs maybe weren't a good idea. Maybe some Havies would have done better. Or some built not bought thongs. Maybe we need steel cap thongs. I hear a crew. Oh. Is that Mac Preston? If that ain't a thong slap, I don't know what is.
You are not actually driving on those.
What do you reckon, mate? What do you reckon of the new build?
I heard you ordered a thong slapper.
Well, people tell me I have thongs on all the time, so I was like, oh, gonna make a thong cut. And you!
That makes two of us.
And you! Ha! Everyone's dressed in the right attire this morning.
Check it out. Yeah. I just can't believe you're even driving on these things. I'll be worried your car's...
Yeah, I know.
If it breaks, your car tips over.
Just folds.
Yeah, we'll take her out to a closed road and see what they...
Do you want to go to Macca's? I don't know, I think it's a bit defective. Oh, yeah, nah, it is.
There's no wheel poke.
Nah, it is.
Good morning and welcome to this.
Alrighty, so I think it's time to decide who's got the better thong slap. We'll let the audience decide in the comments, is it the Cruiser or the Patrol?
That was a pretty close one.
Yeah.
I reckon it's time for tug of war.
Definitely time for a tug of war.
Let's go, come on.
Alrighty, so I've locked the hubs. Just gonna put my tyres down to about 15 to get some traction.
Round 2. Fight!
I liked my tactic there. It was dig in and become an anchor.
I even went for second then and didn't even tug you out when you stopped.
Can you actually pull me out now though? I'm shocked how strong they are.
Yeah, same. I didn't think a couple posts would actually do that.
Oh no!
Didn't break the dime bags though.
Too much horsepower. That's the end of that. Here's broken acid. I just broke my front diff.
I just changed that thing! That's a new thing!
diff's done too.
So I had a few more plans to do some things, but it didn't make it around the left-hand turn. I want some more ideas about what we can do for wheels. We've done skinny tyres on a four-wheel drive, we've done thong wheels. We could reinvent this.
12 seconds later.
Not gonna end well.
What an entry.
Wait, what's all that liquid?
I don't know, the diff's good. Yeah, there's all... Is it water? Smells like diff oil. Oh! Oi! Started brake line. Of all the things...
There's no stopping you, eh?
There's no stopping me.
Brake line.
I know. Well, brake lines, front diff, and the rims. I'm so sad about the rim.
Well, no, everything's fine under here. Toyota. Unbreakable. Don't know about the patrol.
Don't try this at home and shit.
But you are at home.
No, I'm not at home.
Oh, sorry, we're in Mexico.
We're in Mexico.
There's a farm on Mexico, mate.
Farm
No,
on
what are you talking about?
I'm just going on my horse.
Oi, which way to Cairns, mate?
Dude, I rode it. That farmer's rude, eh?
Farmers around here are rude as hell. I guess we'll go this way.
We're gonna go diagnose this front diff because something weird and sus is going on. So we have some funnies going on. We have the hub in free. Spins, no funny noise. We put the hub locked. Funny noise. And tail shaft not spinning. I've got the transfer in neutral and the gearbox in neutral. No spin. Put it in free. Still no spin. It wasn't just a brake line either. When I took the wheel off, the whole caliper came with, so we've destroyed the caliper in the process. Still have brakes.
Righty, so I left Mitch for the last 10 minutes to try and diagnose what happened to the patrol, so I'm just checking up with him. Mitch, how's that axle going?
Yeah, dude, she's doing fine, man. She's just chilling.
Not that axle.
Oh, right, mate.
Hello, gal.
Yeah, this one's fucked.
Our suspicions were correct.
Yeah, snapped.
And it did the short side.
And it did it really nice and clean too.
That's why I wasn't making noises turning, hey?
We'll just weld it back together and send it.
Just weld it. Well, I'm not gonna bore you with putting another diff in the patrol. This is diff number 6. It's the first time I've done the front, I think. Maybe second, but the first time I've done a front axle, which is pretty fascinating. You may have seen her on my Instagram, but this is my new dog, Axel. Hello. You got a rag there. Hey girl, what are you doing? Axel, sit. Sit. Yeah, look, you're 10 weeks old, you don't know the rules. Sit. Do a cute face or something. So yeah, Axel's about 10 weeks old. New Ronnie, I got her as a puppy because they're sort of, Rottweilers very loyal to their owner. You kind of got to grow up with them. But she's going to be a cool little shop dog, hang around the house. And don't forget guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel because we are going big next year. We want to hit 500,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So if you're watching this and you aren't subscribed, now's the time to do it. Axel!